I'm gonna make salty egg yolk shrimp with broccoli. So that's we're gonna use about a pound of the 16-20 size, medium size egg shrimp, medium size shrimp, and also that's a salty egg we're gonna use. We're just using the egg yolk. Okay, then and we use about on the side we're gonna use a pound of Chinese broccoli. Okay, and now we're gonna cook the broccoli first in the boiling water, and put your oil into it. That will make the vegetable green and the color better. So you just soak it in there and let it cook for like a few minutes. And sometimes you split that to half for easier to cook. Okay, then you have to see we cook it for a little bit, then you can check it once in a while. You can see that, you can go through it, you can go through it, and that's done, that's cooked and it's tender. See? Then you can shut it off, you can turn off the heat. Then you can pick this up. Just like that. Okay, so we'll get them, before we fry the shrimp, we're going to get this is a salty egg. So we are using just a yolk. Cut see like that. Okay, then we have to scoop them out. Just scoop them out. We use about 3 egg yolks, okay? Okay, so we can start cooking the shrimp. We put 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in it. So you brown it one side and you brown the other side. Then we put your ginger in it. And some onions. Then we put a couple tablespoons of cooking oil in it. After that, we're going to put the egg yolks in it. I think that's done. Oh, and some black pepper. Okay, then after that we're gonna also put a little bit of oyster sauce. Okay, that's pan-fried shrimp with salty egg yolk and broccoli.